Okay. Go ahead.
Hey, welcome to my crib for $1,800 a month. This is my sweet studio. Nice little wood paneling. You don't see that these days. Midget's closet, or midget's bedroom, sorry. Complete with a bathroom right by the front door, which is nice. Bathroom shit. You have this tiny little kitchen again. Nice little window again. And really for me, this is the crowning jewel. Well, there's a tiny little balcony that opens up to the street, but welcome to where the magic happens. Right up here. Just big enough for a double-sized mattress. Nice ceiling, so you can really get the hurt on. It's good. It's good. Oh, TV stand, telephone, smoke alarms right near your bed. So that's good. Well, lives out on the street. 1,800 a month. 18.
So this is it, right?
What? Yeah,
This is the winner.
yeah, this
We're
is
gonna sign the lease.
I'm actually gonna live in here when you're done, honey. I'm just gonna live in here.
So you're gonna sign the lease today, right?
Yep, you guys sign it. Yep, let's do it.
All right.